Are you going on a trip?
Do you want to explore the world?
Are you thinking, do I need travel insurance? The answer is yes. Yes, 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 you definitely need travel insurance.
I am specifically talking about medical travel insurance. Travel medical insurance can pay for emergency and medical expenses that can happen during a trip. You want to make sure that you're covered for such things as ambulance services, doctor's bills, hospital and operating room charges, x-rays, drugs and medicine, dental care, air medical transportation. You basically want to make sure that you're covered for absolutely everything up to an unlimited amount so that you don't have any medical expenses. Many people have gone bankrupt because they didn't have medical travel insurance or they didn't have the right kind of medical travel insurance to cover what they needed.
Recently, a man from the United Kingdom traveled to Canada to visit family.
The person is only 59 years old and doesn't have any medical travel insurance. He ended up getting sick and now faces an enormous hospital bill. A spokesperson with Alberta Health Services said, as is the case in any province, public health insurance coverage is provided only to insured residents. AHS went on to say that this is similar to many other countries.
A situation like this can unfortunately happen to anybody, which is why everybody needs medical travel insurance. You're not looking for the cheapest travel insurance. You want travel insurance from a reputable, big company that's likely to pay out a claim when you need it. I'd recommend to get as much travel insurance as you possibly can. There are some policies that have unlimited medical coverage. It's a great idea to get an unlimited medical coverage policy that'll cover all of your medical expenses as well as all of your medical transport expenses. You want to read all of the fine print in your coverage information. If you need any clarification or have any questions, I'd recommend to email the insurance coverage company directly. This way, the communication will be in writing and you'll have a record of what was said.
This is my dad. He didn't drink or smoke and he ate healthy. He was on vacation with my mom in a remote area called Long Beach, Washington. They were near the beach when he had a stroke.
My mom immediately gave my dad an aspirin. The doctor said that this could have very well saved his life. He was transported by medical plane and then by medical helicopter to the hospital. Thankfully, he was able to get the care that he needed. Also, thankfully, he had medical travel insurance for the expense amounted to over $68,000. Because it was covered, we didn't need to stress about the money. We could just focus on his health and him getting better.
Unfortunately, strokes affect so many people and their families. It's very important for all of us to know the warning signs for if someone is having a stroke. Fast warning signs. Use the letters in FAST to spot if someone is having a stroke. F is for face drooping. Does one side of the face droop or is it numb? Ask the person to smile. Is the person's smile uneven? A is for arm weakness. Is one arm weak or numb? Ask the person to raise both arms. Does one arm drift downward? S is for speech difficulty. Is speech slurred? T, time to call 911. Other stroke symptoms. Watch for sudden numbness or weakness of face, arm, or leg, especially on one side of the body. Confusion, trouble speaking or understanding speech. trouble seeing in one or both eyes, trouble walking, dizziness, loss of balance or coordination, severe headache with no known cause. If any of these signs are present, it's very important to call 911 immediately. Every second counts. The quicker someone can get to the hospital to be treated for having a stroke, the more of a chance that they are likely to fully recover.
So if you go on a trip, please get medical travel insurance. I thank everyone for all of your support. If you could please subscribe to my channel, I would truly appreciate it. Save money, make good choices, and please be kind.